Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create a Google form, and you can use and create a Google form, create a math quick problem, solve particular online learning and online teaching perspective, and you can add your objective questions and track your student record very easily. So how to create Google form? Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. So let's start as a demonstration. So you need to enter first of all your email address, Google Drive. So just simply I enter my Google Drive. So this is my Google Drive because of I'm doing something related those quiz. So all data store on my personal email Google Drive. So you click here in new tab, and then here options automatically comes here in Google form. I click directly on Google form. So untitled forms are comes here. So simply I type here math quiz. You can add your description here, like I'm adding my description. Be carefully filling out the all scenario. So here first questions are come. So I'm adding here my first question, just like 2x plus 6y equal to 22x plus y equal to 5. What is the x? First option is opinion is 1, add 2, 3, or here none. So my one question is ready. I'm adding second question. So my second question I'm adding here option 21, 121 to 10, and here none. Add one more question. So I simply create one form here. Some all questions are multiple choice question. You can select which one you want, like a multiple question, some checkbox, drop down, upload your file in this particular here scenario. I'm putting here 3. You can add multiple question using these features very easily. Import some question, you can import, export also available, title, some images, you add video and add section. Different options are available here. And then after you want share someone, this is my questionnaire, I want send my student. So you just click here send option, and via collected of email addresses you save and directly type here student's email address or colleague email address and simply send. Just like I'm simply type on my personal email address here and send this questionnaire math invitation form and just send simply. So my questionnaire are sending on my personal email address. So look at this. So I am receiving this email. So I am receiving this email of the personal questionnaire answering. Fill out the Google form. Just simply I type here my email address and then fill out 1, 2, 3 and then submit. I am a student and I complete the questionnaire and submit my supervisor or my sir. It's amazing. It's very simple to create, share, and someone or fill this one and you receive again this questionnaire. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.